Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to Jongelo Entertainment. Here we give you sizzling hunches of what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. If you are new in our midst, you are dearly welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to get the latest update of what is popping, what is happening in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. My name is Jongelo. I am an entertainment enthusiast and a vlogger. Congratulations to you, African Giant. Congratulations to you, Burna Boy. I mean, you've been trending, you've been hitting the chart, you've been hitting, you've been carrying, you've been moving Nigeria from Africa to the world, to the global map. Congratulations to you. Well, there's this good news. Canadian singer and songwriter Justin Bieber features Burna Boy alongside artists like Khalid. You know, Khalid is an American artist, and a host of other artists in his new album, Justice. We can't wait for that album. No, Justin Bieber has always been giving us hits. Well, Burna Boy would be the very first African artist to be featured by the Canadian singer. Justice will be Justin Bieber's sixth studio album, and it is set to be released on the 19th of March 2021. We can't wait. Our ears are wide open to listen to that album, to listen to the track you feature our brother and our friend Burna Boy. Congratulations to you, Justin Bieber. Thank you very much for featuring our brother. We've talked about Justin Bieber, Burna Boy. Now let's move on to Lady Gaga. Singer Lady Gaga offers a whooping sum of $500,000 $500,000 for the return of her stolen dogs. Come on, I hope that dog no go Calabar, my sister. If you don't reach Calabar, they don't chop am. I tell you the truth. Well, American singer Lady Gaga has offered a whooping sum of $500,000 for the return of two of her dogs that were allegedly stolen off a Los Angeles street after the dog walker was shot. Well, the 34-year-old will give the reward for the French bulldogs, Koji and Gustave, with no questions asked, according to NBC News. News of her offer came as Los Angeles Police Department confirmed to iTicket that a male victim was shot just before 10 p.m. on Wednesday. Multiple news outlets reported on Thursday, February 25th, that a pair of dogs belonging to the singer was taken during the shooting, and Lady Gaga reps are reportedly asking anyone who has the dog to email Koji and Gustav at gmail.com. To email Koji and Gustav at gmail.com. So they've created an email for the dogs because the dogs are named Koji and Gustav. That is huge money anyway. $500,000 is not bread. Come on, man. Imagine $1 as of today is 470 naira. So multiply 470 by 500,000. So that you know how much that person will get for telling Lady Gaga, okay, your dogs are here. That is huge anyway. Well, the guy that was shot, we are told he is in the hospital still receiving treatment. We hope Lady Gaga will also take care of him. These guys are funny. They love their dogs. Americans don't joke with their dogs. 500,000 naira for anybody who in Nigeria, that can't happen. Who has that love for dogs? And remember, in the United States and in the UK, in Europe, outside the country, basically, or outside the continent, Africa, people love their pets. They can do anything. They can even will their properties to their dogs or cats. You know, if it happened for Nigeria, and made that dog go come Calabar. I said it before. Don't let that dog come to Calabar. If it is in Calabar people they chop dog. Well, not only Calabar people. I think in Kogi too, yeah, they eat dog, but we. Calabar is popular when it comes to eating dog meat. They call it 404 over there. And that dog will sweet well because Lady Gaga has money. She's been taking care of the dog. I mean, feeding them well. What is your take on that? Well, let's drop our comments below. Is education that's important? People have been going to school. You go to school in Nigeria, you come back, no work. You go for your master's degree, you come back, no work. You hustle for your PhD, you come back, you see younger people, you meet younger people with BSc as your bosses, they'll not tell you, no, you can't work under me because you have PhD. We have so many people in Nigeria they are graduated with first class. They are jobless. Why? Because people are scared of employing them because their grades are better than theirs. What is really happening? Is education the way forward? And remember, celebrities are making money now. They are not educated. In my last video, Fino has been declared as a god in Igbo land. And come on, he didn't. He's not as educated as Chinwe Achebe, Pierre Okeke, to name a few, but he's now a god. And can you imagine? People have been getting tattoos of celebrities on their back. They'll go to a tattoo parlor, pay, and get a tattoo of Bobrisky, of celebrities like Bobrisky, Davido, Naira Marley on their backs, their thighs, their faces. Come on, what is really happening in this country? Is education really important? Is education paying? We know so many graduates, so many master degree holders, and even PhD holders who are Okada drivers in Nigeria. Some of them have even go as low as running errands, you know, being dispatch riders because they have banned Okadas in some cities like Abuja, you know, mega cities, yeah, the state capitals of, you know, so many states capitals. You won't see any Okada, but you see dispatch rider. So they have hustled, succeeded to get a bike, and they don't have any other option than becoming dispatch riders. Well, Abraham Lincoln, Walt Disney, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Steve Jobs never received college degrees, but we know those names. We know those names. If you hear those names, you know what they did. Like, for instance, if you see Apple, or if you hear Steve Jobs, the next thing that comes to your mind is Apple. If you hear Mark Zuckerberg, the next thing that comes to your mind is Facebook. Not only Facebook, Instagram is there. Come on. If you hear Walt Disney, animations, cartoons. Abraham Lincoln, he was the president of the United States of America. Bill Gates, computer. Microsoft, Bill Gates. Henry Ford, Ford cars. If you don't know Henry Ford, you must have seen Ford cars. I remember we don't have any, we don't produce cars in this country. Yeah, apart from Innocent Motors that's been trying. Come on, man, what is really going on? We've had education is like becoming valueless in this country because after going to school, remember, you have to come back and hustle. We have graduates, we have medical doctors who are into YouTube, who are YouTubers. Some of them are selling shoes online, some of them are selling clothes online. There's what is trending right now, side hustle. We have so many graduates who are now into music. Dr. C is actually a dentist, but guess what? He's into music. We have so many graduates, you know, who are into music. That is where they are making it. That is the most important thing, is getting food on your table. Can a degree put food on your table? Basically, no is the answer, because you have to wait for your salary, and some months they will pay you that. Oh, come on, they cry is too much. That's why you see government workers crying all over the country. Unless you get to that level, you know, where you start stealing money, and that level is difficult. Directory level, or when you run into politics, become a governor, a senator, house of rep, a president, that's when you'll be seeing money. See Dangote, we didn't hear, nobody has said that, okay, Dangote graduated from this school with a first class, he has a master's degree or a PhD degree, but Dangote is the richest black man in Africa. Come on, man. Is education really that necessary? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Thank you very much for watching Jongelo Entertainment. You are dearly welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also like, so as to get the latest updates on what is happening in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. Problem be like bicycle, you know they have to start, and problem become every day. That's how we get news every day.